Welcome back to my YouTube channel Traveler Teacher. My name is Jagjeevan and our today's topic is uses of reflexive pronouns. In this video we will discuss that why we need the reflexive pronouns in English language. For example, if I'm saying I hurt me or myself, you hurt you or yourself, we very well know that one cannot write down I hurt me. All the times we have to write down myself. One cannot say you hurt you. We always have to speak out, or we always have to write down you hurt yourselves. Now everybody wants this, that why we need to learn myself, why we need to speak out yourselves, although the meaning is same. For example, if I'm saying I hurt me, that means who is going to be hurt? It's just only me. No one other people or no one other person is going to hurt. I hurt myself. Now who is going to be hurt? Once again it's me. You hurt you. That means you're not going to hurt anybody else. You're going to hurt by your own. So you are hurting you and you're hurting yourself is also, once again the meaning is same over there, that you're hurting yourself. Then why we need the reflexives? When we have the same meanings, whether we are using objective cases or the reflexive cases, from the very childhood we learn this one thing, that we always make the sentences by the structure of subject, verb, object. But in these cases our teachers sometimes they taught us that there is error in this one thing. So you cannot say subject, verb, object. It is subject, verb, reflexive. But why this is so? Okay, now let's revise the case once again. When I say I hurt me, it's very much sure that I am going to hurt myself only. You hurt you, that is once again very much sure that you are going to hurt yourself. There is no one, any other person to whom you are going to hurt. But when we say he hurts him, he hurts him, can you sure that this him is for the same person he? Can it be like that? Okay, he hurts him. Now him is not always necessary that you are talking about the same person. Like over here, I hurt me. It's very much sure that I am not going to talk about any other person, but it's going to be on myself. You hurt you, once again is very much sure. But when we say she hurts her, now her is not a very necessary case that she is going to hurts herself, because her can be her friend also. She hurts her friend, so that means she hurts her. It's not always necessary that she is going to hurt her own self. He is not going to hurt himself, but she hurts him. That means that him can be any other person also. So while we are using the third sentences or third persons in the sentences, we recognize this one mistake, that some people think he hurts him, that this him is for he, so he hurts him, that means he hurts his own self. But some people think that it can also be possible he hurts him, that means this him is not for his own self but for the other people. So now we are having a conflict in the English. So whenever we are having the conflict, or whenever we are less understanding in the English sentences, at that time we need a perfect rule. So to making this a perfect, we need a rule over there. So this is decided in English language that whenever a person is going to talk about his own self, we always use reflexives. So the right version over here is he hurts himself. That means now we are pretty much sure that he is going to hurt his own self. She hurts her. Her cannot be pretty much sure that it is by her own self. That can be any of the other person also. So we need she hurts herself, to making it very much sure that she is gonna hurt herself. So over here him is wrong version, her is wrong version. To make the rule universal appearance, to make it a uniformity, to give it a uniformity, to hold the rule, so in that version we also need I hurt myself with the first person also, and you hurt yourself with the second person also. Frankly, we were not in the need of having the myself word or the yourself, because me and you itself is very much clear that you are gonna hurt yourselves. But in the third persons, we were not very much sure that whether this him is for the person, is for person's own or for the other. So in that case we need a reflexives to make the uniformity of the sentence, we need every time we need a reflexive whenever we talk about our own selves. And in the second words, we can say when subject and object, whenever subject and object is the same persons, we need to write down reflexives instead of the objects. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.